The second last, which is the fourth one, is the road work. The survey includes planning of work that will open roads that will be selected within the community. This is intended to improve accessibility and infrastructure. So what you must know, the key points on HIV advocacy in Kitgum. The first one is group advocate. Persons living with HIV/AIDS in Kitgum under a group back to 60V are calling for a dedicated parliamentary position for HIV patient representatives. So they want a member of parliament, their own member of parliament for the people living with HIV. That's what they want. The second thing you must know is their object. What is their object? Their goal is to improve community on communication and ensure that the concerns of the people living with HIV are adequately addressed at the government level. The third thing that you must know is they have a public. What is their public? Oyela Bitre, who is the chairperson of the Back to 60V, made this call during the opening of an ART clinic at Kitgum, Banyoro, which aims to enhance healthcare service for the people living with AIDS in the region. The fourth thing that you need to know is the government act. What has government done, or what is the government planning to do? Well, Oyela has urged the government to create parliamentary slots for persons living with HIV/AIDS, of which she says it should be similar to those of persons living with disability to ensure their representation. The fifth thing is the AHF support. Henry Magala, Country Director of AIDS Health Fund, ADHF, is committed to representing the community's voice to the Ministry of Health and the President. Health guideline. That is the sixth thing that you need. Magala encouraged those living with HIV to adhere to health guidelines for better life and good condition management. Ongoing challenges is the seventh thing that you need to know. Magala highlighted issues such as high rate of new infection depending on donors' funding and the need for increased domestic funding to support the over 1.2 million people who are living with HIV in the country. So Uganda has one. So 1.2 million people are those who are, and then 200,000 people non-case not yet rolled. So that's the last thing that you must know, that is the eighth thing that you must know, is the symbol of progress on this matter. The new ART clinic in Kitgum, which is situated at Kitgum Referral Hospital or the Kitgum General Hospital, signifies progress in addressing the healthcare need for individuals living with HIV. This will not help only the people living with HIV in Kitgum, but also the people living with HIV in the neighboring. Thank you so much.